Good morning. OTD, red and white. Yes, my color combination, red pants and white top. Good morning, my everyday routine. My everyday routine, waking up at 5 a.m., servicing worker, going to work at 6:30 a.m. I'll see you again, guys, later. I love red and white. I'm watching my YouTube channel as well.